Hello, let me show you how the microphone sounds of the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So now I'm gonna actually unmute microphone. I'm gonna speak directly to the watch, and then I'm gonna also enable, the speaker on this phone and put it close to the microphone to let you hear how it actually sounds. So I'm gonna actually unmute right now. There we go. So let's listen to this. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
This is the microphone check of Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So in my opinion, this microphone sounds really good. It's clear, there's no any issue with voice connection and transferring this into another phone. And if you wonder about about the quality of the speaker, I can also try to show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the microphone check. So it's not that good as a microphone, but you can easily actually speak with this device. Thanks for watching.